Hi guys, I am coming on here to share with you an Whiffbox or a Whiffbox from Scentsy. So this is a monthly subscription box that gives you the opportunity, like most subscription boxes, to try out new products, to get things that you may not buy on your own, and also to get more than what you pay for. And so that is what I love the most about Scentsy. So definitely let me know if you are watching. If you're watching the recording, I would love to know that as well. So the box comes beautifully packaged. So I've actually sent these to a couple of different people as gifts. They are perfect for somebody who may have never tried Scentsy, or if there's somebody that just like wants to try a couple new products. I think that they are perfect for that. So this box is $30. And what's really cool is that you are not required to sign up and get the box every single month if you don't want to. You can sign up to receive it once, or you can sign up through Scentsy Club to receive it every single month. And the box changes on the first of every single month. Some people like to be surprised. I don't like to be surprised, but I am going to share this with you. So it says, happy fall. It is one of the best times of the year, and we're diving in deep. Your September Whiffbox includes an amazing assortment of seasonal goodies, and we even included a brochure for our 2020 harvest collections. You can always find more ways to embrace the season. And if you are a Scentsy consultant, I definitely want to see if your box has the same thing, because we know that sometimes boxes come with different items. So the first thing I want to share is I got some butter pecan sugar scrub. Our sugar scrub is so good, and butter pecan smells exactly like what you would think it would smell like. Yeah, it is all the way closed. So this is a limited edition item, butter pecan. That is worth $12. I got 2 scent circles, one in caramel apple craze and one in autumn road trip. These are both $3 a piece. I got some shimmer laundry liquid and scent soft samples. So that was why I was saying that this is a really good item to use maybe if you have somebody that's never used Scentsy before. It's a great way to start them out. And then we have a brochure for the harvest collection. Some of these things are already sold out, but there are some that are still left, so I'm super excited about that. Hi. And Scentsy always, or right now while it's hot, they're shipping everything with ice packs, because if you live in North Carolina, it is still like 100 degrees. And we all know that with shipping, the way things are these days, sometimes take a little bit longer. So in this box, I got 3 bars. I have pumpkin chai, which is one of our scents from the harvest collection. And it's really, really good. Honestly, to me, this smells like what Hobby Lobby smells like when you walk in the fall. Like, so good. If your stuff, if your stuff was melted, definitely let your consultant know. If you are a consultant, definitely chat support, since he's good about replacing things. This is Ghostly Greetings, which is our scent of the month. It's manly. I'm going to add it to my Scentsy Club so that I can get it forever and ever, amen, because this scent it's just so good. If you like manly, this is the scent for you. Ghostly Greetings. It is 10% off this month, and it's so good. And this last bar is Halloween Town, which is a Nightmare Before Christmas licensed bar. And this one's really good too. It's definitely fall. I don't have the description right here in front of me, so I'm actually not sure what all's in it. But it is good. And for the people out there that are really obsessed with Nightmare Before Christmas, there's 4 different designs on the front of the bars. And then last but not least, this is probably my favorite part of the Whiffbox, is that we get sample cups. So if you have any of these in your Whiffbox, these are just sample cups, and it's about a cube, maybe a little bit more of wax. And what's really great is that this is the October scent of the month, which is Walnut Raisin Muffin. And you definitely smell the walnut. I don't really smell like muffin, because I feel like if I say muffin, I feel like it's going to be kind of sweet. It's good though. I'm interested to see what it's going to smell like warmed. I'm going to be honest, I'm a big spring summer scent kind of girl, so a lot of the fall scents will give me a headache if there's too much cinnamon in it. But I just wanted to share with you guys our September Whiffbox. Like I said, you get more than $30 full, or $30 worth of full-size product, and also samples. So I definitely suggest trying it out. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're interested in finding out more information, I can help you out with that as well. Thanks.